Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is Swati. Today I'm going to explain you new concept that is how to give text and dimension in SketchUp. So let's start. So here you will get the dimension and text tool. So in that very first it is a tape measurement. So as I told already, we can use tape measurement for the to give distance. Again to measure distance. Again you can use it as a guidelines and reference line. So first of all we will see the how much distance it is. So select the first point, drag, and next we have to click for the next point. Now this is a 6 feet something inches. Again 1 feet 10 inches. You can measure any diagonal or straight or vertical or horizontal distance by using this tape measurement. So freely you can check anywhere distance from this point to this point also. So this is a one advantage of or one use of the tape measurement. Next to that, if you want to give the guidelines, suppose if I want to give offset or anything 2 feet like this, again from here this line to this 2 feet like this. So this is we can use like a guideline. Suppose again from this box again I want to create any other things which is having distance from this box to this is 3 feet. So as you can measure this again 3 feet. So likewise, and after creating these guidelines, after modeling, you can erase this anytime. So this is a second advantage or second use of tape measurement. Next to that, again tape measurement you can use for the scaling. So now this model, suppose if you want to increase or decrease the scale for this model. So how much scale exactly if you want, that we will not get idea. Suppose 1 feet I want to reduce. So here 1 feet I'll take the tape measurement and then you can select this and this surface and click to the reference line. So likewise, you can decrease or increase the scale by using the tape measurement. So tape measurement, it is a very important concept in SketchUp. So as I already explained, you can measure the distance. Again, you can give the reference line, and again you can do the scaling, how much you want. You can decrease and increase exact scale you will get by using the tape measurement. Next to that, we are having the dimension tool. So by using this, you can check the any 2 point distance. Suppose first point, second point. So in tape measurement also we will get and we can only check the value. The student they'll get confused in between the tape measurement and dimension tool. So no need to get confused. Just see tape measurement. It is only to check the dimension. So only it will get visible on the screen. But the dimension tool you can give the dimension like in AutoCAD, Revit or any software whichever you will use for the modeling. Likewise, you can give the whatever dimension you want to give like this. So if you want to give the dimension for your plan, elevation or section or any 3D model, you can give likewise by using the dimension tool. So again, if you don't want, you can erase any time wherever we have given the dimension. Next to that, again, we are having here protractor. So what is a protractor exactly? See, in tape measurement also what we are going to do same thing we are going to do in the protractor also. So it will measure the angle and will create the angle based guidelines. So here also tape measurements it will create a guidelines, but only difference it is only we can create a guidelines with the angle. Suppose if I want to give angle here, anything I want to create 45-degree. Likewise, suppose again for same thing, I want to give for the horizontal surface 60-degree angle. So again, we can create a guidelines like this. You will get the idea exactly. See, blue means this is a plane surface parallel to the whatever plane, and this is a red. It is a perpendicular exactly. Again, this is for the green. So first of all, give the reference angle 0 or 90 anything, and then drag and how much you want that much angle we have to enter. So in tape measurement also, in protractor also you will get the guidelines. Only difference is the angle. So I hope you understand both the concept tape measurement, dimension and protractor. Now these all are related to the dimension. Next to that again a very important tool that is a text. So by using this command, we can give uh, whatever surface area, again we can give the naming as well. First of all, we will see the uh, use of this. See, once if you will select the surface, automatically the whatever surface area it will get now 11.32 square feet. Again, suppose if I will select this surface, 30.38 feet square. So likewise, you can give the area. Again, suppose after this area, I want to give any information like box, any naming you can give like this. Or suppose this I want to show only name, so I can give like this. So by using this text command, we can give 2D text like uh, first advantage is you can give the how much surface area that is. Second one is you can give the naming for this. Next to that, here we are having the 3D text. Now this is the 2D text. Again, here we can erase any time whenever we don't want. So next to that, here we are having 3D text. Once if you will enter 3D text, here it will ask the enter text value or text, sorry, enter text. So if I want, I'll enter like SketchUp. So SketchUp name I have given. Next here you will get the option for the font. So which font you want, that font you can select. Which is your favorite, that one you can select. Now I have selected this Latin font. Next to that, alignment where you want. Suppose if I want center, I'll give center. So field you want, so you can give field. So next, once if you give field, you need to give them extrusion value as well. So here it is 1 inch. Suppose if I want it is more than 1 inch, you can give. This is extrusion means thickness value you can tell. For understanding, you can consider it as a thickness. Next, it is a height. So suppose if I want 1 feet height, and next place. So it will ask where to place. Suppose if you want to place on the surface or this surface. So likewise you can paste. So now you can see I'll measure the distance how much we have given exactly that much it will come. So total how much height we have given. So from first point to here we are not getting properly scale. So here you can see near about 1 feet we have given. Next, this thickness, how much we have given? 3 inches. So we are almost correct. So next to that, here after placing text also, we can increase or decrease the scale by using the scale option. Or again, we can take the tape measurement and then you can adjust the whatever. Now it will come as a group, and whenever you want to edit, just like how we will edit the group, likewise you can edit the text. So wherever you want, you can apply the color. So very last point, that is a section plane. So it is not included in dimension and text, then also it is part of this tool. So I'll explain that also. So this is a section plane, how you want, whether from left, right, or top view or front. Likewise, suppose if I want to take section, so it will ask the name, and next to that, how much you want to cut that area. While rendering out, while setting the view, you can use this section plane option. For that particular tutorial also, I'll explain this concept, how to take a section and how to render that particular scene. So guys, I hope you understand whatever concept I have explained in this video. So this is a brief information about the tape measurement, dimension, 2D, 3D, both concept text I have explained. Again, protractor, it is also guidelines, but only the difference it is about the angle. So if you are new, please go back and check my all the previous video. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like, please share to your friends. Again, go back and check my Instagram page. There also daily I'll keep posting whatever uh, tips and tricks related to the interior and all design types. So thanks for the watching. Thank you.